research done on toll system, toll gates versus losses, and also hear God's voice, public voice, and their grievances and opinions. Let us discuss about toll gates versus losses, toll tax versus losses burden on people. While purchasing the vehicle, every human, every person has paid life tax, that is road tax and registration tax, again collection of toll tax daily for a period of 15 years, etc. Lifespan is very burden on the people. Maybe owners of cars or old cars, cheap cars, RTC buses, etc. or goods and materials, transport vehicles, etc. People are paying GST, IT, municipal tax, Gram Panchayat taxes, etc. and license, registration, renewal fees, etc. Many and so many fees, etc. Again, toll tax is a burden. In fact, it shall not be collected, as all roads are to be laid by R&B departments, municipal departments and central nation highway departments, etc. by public taxes funds only, official fees collected by the government only. Whenever you move along the roads to hospitals for treatment and temples for God's darshan or for official or public work services or emergency services to the people, etc. Here, public and officials have to pay huge amount towards the toll tax. Horrible burden, no mental peace to people, no happiness on this system. People are weeping on this system as much time is wasted at toll gates along the roads and accidents and incidents at toll gates and many accidents along the toll roads. Earlier, a rape incident also happened at a toll gate. Accidents are many and so many on toll roads as compared to R&B roads and other roads. These toll roads seem just like ways to go to hell, that is, death place. Reasons: roads are made to run the vehicle at high speed, that is 0 to 80, 80 to 180 km per hour, etc. Very dangerous, harmful. Say example, controlless vehicle is always dangerous. If the vehicles move on toll roads, they become controlless. And doorless houses also dangerous, harmful. And compoundless houses also harmful. Likewise, toll roads, toll gates have become dangerous and burden to the people. For any road, maybe district highways or state highways, there shall be restrictions and limitations on the roads to control the vehicles' speed, such as speed breakers must at U, L, X, Y, Z, etc. junctions and curves, and Vidi Sula, etc. Speed breakers must at temples, schools, offices, and hotels, tea stalls, complex buildings of various kinds of business, of people, and U-turns, petrol bunks, and near the villages and near the green fields, crops, where cattle, different kinds of cattle, farmers, kids, their families pass on either side for agricultural activities, etc. Toll is burden to all kinds of people, and prices of materials, commodities are also rising too much because of toll tax at many stations along the roads wherever you move. Toll tax management is also collecting the toll tax from local people and local officials, nearby officials, moving on public department works, emergency works to help the people, etc. by other vehicles or personal vehicles or hire vehicles, etc. Toll tax has become a headache, migraine to the people because they have to pay for 15 years, which is a continuous tax. People felt that toll gates means locking of all doors, squeezing the blood from public, and sending the people to the hell in the form of accidents or by a way of accidents, incidents, etc. Toll gates management, rich companies people, major companies people, they are doing major contract works plus taking up toll gates works. They don't bother about criminals, terrorists, ghosts, etc. if they pass on toll gate roads. They don't check, they don't stop. Just they want taxes collection money. You just observe at toll gates there are speed breakers to stop the vehicles for tax collection. But after crossing the toll gate, you will see no speed breakers along the roads. The vehicle drivers rise speed from 0 to 80, 80 to 160, 180 kilometer per hour, etc., which is very harmful. Note, if politicians and some departments officials are directed to pay the toll taxes at every station along the roads, then they can know the burden of people, heartburning of people, problem of people. You must remember that in local areas, 20 to 40 km per hour speed, and on highways 60 to 80 km per hour speed is controllable, safe, and best for all. Life is very precious, my dear friends. 60 to 80 km per hour is safe speed. 80 to 110 danger. Remember, 60 to 80 safe, 80 to 110 danger, 110 to 140 very danger, 140 to 180 very, very danger. This is very, very dangerous speed. 140 to 180 km per hour. So, remember always 60 to 80 km per hour speed is safe and best on highways. Department, NGOs can help the people on highways, but toll management, toll staff cannot help. They will never help. They just want taxes money, that's all. People can pay road tax at a time and some additional tax too, no problem, at a time. But they don't like to pay the tax daily, continuously at many stations, different stations throughout India, throughout state, etc. for a period of continuous 15 years, 20 years, etc. for EOT time, extension of time for toll gates, etc. It is very, very headache to the people.